This is how much fat I was packing when this is what I've lost, 71 pounds. It's hard to believe that all this was part of me. Now it's not, and I'm very happy it's not. I'm Tim Barlow, and I'm a baker by trade. I've been baking for 25 years. We make pies, cakes, brownies, bread, rolls, Danish pastries, cinnamon rolls, donuts, cookies, and that's one of my biggest weaknesses is fresh warm cookies. Everything fresh out of the oven is pretty hard to turn down. Working around a bakery, you have to have something that is going to help you take things off, and I really feel that the Slim did that. I think being a baker had a lot to do with the weight. I was around 280 pounds, not only just because of being around all those products all day and the love of fresh warm cookies, but it was also the time of day, getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning and not eating then, and it was just always hard to stop and eat a decent meal through the day. I hated it. I hated being lazy and slow and not being able to get up and do things. When I heard about the Slim, I thought, well, maybe it'll work, and I tried it, and I started noticing the weight was coming off, and I thought, wow, this is gonna work, and it went off really fast. It just feels so much better. It feels so much better now than it did being fat. I heard about the Slim Challenge after I'd lost about 30 pounds. I thought, well, I'm losing this weight and I'm taking Slim. I just will join the Slim Challenge, and you know, why not? Why not go for it? It started being a pretty good motivation because I started losing the weight and I could see, hey, you know, maybe I have a chance of winning this. And then they called me and told me, you're the winner. And I was so excited because that was just like, yeah, that's what I've been working for. You know, taking the Slim and just keeping that motivation of taking it has really helped me and curved it to where I don't sit and eat a bunch of junk all day. I'm still exercising every day, and I'm still trying to eat decent meals, and I'm still doing the things that I learned to do while I was in the challenge. You can do it. Anybody can do it. I'm just an average, everyday person. I'm nothing special when it comes to weight loss. Get motivated, and if you want to lose the weight, take the Slim and change your lifestyle and do what you can do, and the weight will come off. I'm Tim Barlow, and I lost 71 pounds, and if I can do it, anybody can do it.